waad intaan ninka salaama waa horta waxa liidhaa magaca Cabdimajid Maxamed Gabow marka ninka hogaamiye kooxda Simba maanta ku guuleystay kabka Mheshimiwa former MCA aadan diqa marka waa ku mahadsan tahay Mheshimiwa kabka oo noo keentay ma aragtay as a youth qof saano dhiirigeliyay ma arkin marka insha Allah waxaan sii rajeynaa inaan koobab badan asii keeni doontid marka I wish you all the best.
Assalamu alaikum. Mca-gii waxa la dhahaa Cabdo Rashid, Chairman Simba FC. Inta waxaan soo istaaginteen oo mahad celiyo our former MCA Aadan Ismail oo loo yaqaan Aadan Diqa. Since 2017 oo nooga dhacdi wax youth oo saan u qabtay malaha gadaashay garoon ma qabno qabriyalan ku kordheelayna we are suffering as a Bute youth waa u jeedin garoon korkiisan qabri way qabriyaal maanta shal amal dadaal dugan korkood ku dheelayni waana yar xunta diinta anta waxaan awil suggest Aadan Diqa waa noo dadaal intaas MCA iyo MPs area ongeleeshe tutafutwe field mali mzuri ambaye si kaburini so I really appreciate as a Simba chairman waxaan ku dheen hor soco wiliga naga rahay ka badan ka rajeynina insha Allah.
Today marks the end of a Honorable Aadan Ismail tournament, a tournament that has welcomed around 8 teams. This tournament was not only meant to showcase talents, but it was a tournament that was meant to engage the youth and divert the attention of drugs and substance abuse. As the great people of Bute, we neighbor Ethiopia, which is a close range and an entrance get to all kind of drugs and substance abuse. Therefore, such kind of initiative we really appreciate because it engages the youth and divert their attention from drugs and substance abuse. Honorable Aadan Ismail came at the right time when the youths of Bute were really wanted someone who will come and engage them. Honorable Aadan Ismail came at the right time. He was the person who brought to life the dead ball of Bute. Right now, Wajir North, especially Bute, is a hub of talent. The county captain comes from Bute, which is Wajir North. The county striker comes from Kurundile, which is Wajir North. That shows such kind of engagement and initiative, if will continue, we shall have avenue and platforms to showcase the talents and help and promote our talented footballers to academies. We also appeal to the county government, other stakeholders, to come and give our youths a platform, especially at academies, either at the national level or even outside the country. There's a lot of talents that is dying at the grassroots level, especially the rural. We are doing our best to bring out through such kind of tournament.